This demonstration will show you SnapLock, which is a new feature added in ONTAP 9, and its configuration using OnCommand System Manager 9. Customers' challenge includes regulatory compliance and data retention, which vary from days to tens of years. NetApp SnapLock is the worm, write once, read many offering for data retention with simplicity as the key. The volume for SnapLock can be created on any platform. File archival is done via CIFS or NFS protocol. Retention can be set on files or set at the volume. SnapLock prevents tampering with the file until expiration. After this data expires, the files can be deleted. Browse to OnCommand System Manager by entering the cluster management LIF IP address in a supported browser. Log in to System Manager. This is the ONTAP 9 dashboard. We first need to check that SnapLock is licensed. This can be confirmed under Configurations, Licenses. Then we need to initialize compliance clock on a per node basis. When initialized, it aligns with the cluster system time. Once started, it runs independently and will not be affected by the system time. This clock cannot be stopped or modified. Click on Initialize Compliance Clock. This is a one-way initialization. You will now notice that the compliance clock has been initialized. Now let's proceed with creating a SnapLock aggregate. Click on Create. Provide a name for this SnapLock aggregate. Select a disk type for this aggregate. You will be able to select a SnapLock type. So you have the option to select SnapLock Compliance or Enterprise. Go ahead and click Create to proceed with creating this aggregate. Click on SVMs in the navigation. Select the SVM and click on Manage. Click on Volumes. Let's go ahead and create a new volume in the SnapLock aggregate. Provide a name for this SnapLock volume. For aggregate, browse and select the newly created SnapLock aggregate. Click on the SnapLock tab. You will have parameters for the SnapLock volume. Auto commit period is the period after which the file will be in worm state. Then you also have values to set for retention period, which is the default retention period, minimum and maximum. Click Create to proceed with creating this SnapLock volume. Once you highlight this volume, you will notice that you are able to view SnapLock details for this volume. Click on namespace. You will notice this SnapLock volume is automatically mounted under root. Now let's go ahead and create a protection relationship. Click on Create. You will receive a pop-up to select the destination SVM. For relationship type, you have the option to select Mirror, Vault, Mirror and Vault. Let's go ahead and create Vault in this example. Let's go ahead and click on Browse to select the source SVM. And click on Browse to select a volume within this SVM. Click New Volume. Let's go ahead and create another new volume in the SnapLock aggregate. So select SnapLock aggregate from the pop-up window. Specify a vault policy and a schedule and proceed with clicking on Create to create this relationship. Thank you very much for watching this demonstration.